We are back with close calls and crashes. I wonder what we might see today. Just wait until you see the crash that happened at the end. That's an interesting U-turn spot. Two wrongs almost made a crunch. Red lights must not apply to this person. Dude couldn't wait just 5 seconds. Not even a full stop, come on, lady. I guess turn signals and mirrors are optional now. I swear people just act like they don't have mirrors. Two-for-one deal. Oh, this is a bad one. The light was red for forever. A U-turn in the middle of the road? Alrighty then. A booty bump at night, how sweet. This is just a idiotic move. Let's be better. Bro almost had a two-piece in 10 seconds. How to run someone off the road like an idiot. I'm not sure how this even happened. What do y'all think he was trying to do? Let me know in the comments. Do we not see the big white word that says stop? People need to actually look at the road when driving. It's a good thing they have some crazy brakes on their car. Life hack, invest in your own lane. I mean, he did thread the needle, to be fair. Two close calls in one night, just call it quits. That is a good reaction time. I give you my props. Avoided the crash just to crash into a different car. Inches away from being sent to a different realm. Like a deer in the headlights. Some people need to think before they act. Brody completely forgot he had a trailer. Coming to a full stop in the middle of the road is not something I recommend doing. inches away from being sideswiped by a left-lane camper. I swear, some people might actually be blind. Mirrors, guys, mirrors. Please use them. Not the BMW divers, that's two today. I need to change my pants real quick. Why does this intersection look so weird? Whatever. Do we not know how roundabouts work, lock and twin? Nothing like a semi to the face. This is bad, like really bad. Oh my God, this could have been horrible. Bad drivers never miss an exit. These signs means nothing to some people. Is this our first phone victim today? Three idiots in a roundabout. I swear I've seen this before. I don't understand what this driver is doing. I swear side swipes happen so often. Welp, there's almost another side swipe. You goober, please learn how to drive? They wanted to give each other a hug. How sweet. Does this road curve? Nah, I don't think so. Can anyone explain to me this guy's thought process? Who would be in the wrong here? My guess, the other vehicle. Some people don't understand how roads work. I love a smack on the butt. That rattled my head, and I'm not even the one driving. So many close calls today. What were they thinking? Were they even thinking? This is the one thing that angers me the most. I would be mauling if I was the one driving. Can't people just use the next exit? Ah, yes, my favorite lane. I use this one all the time. No explanation is even needed for this one. LMAO. What are they doing? I use this lane too when it's open. Who's the biggest idiot of the day? Let me know in the comments. If you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe.